This is how they weave a cloth. This is how they weave a cloth. Wow. Lot of hard work. This is courtyard where married. Just in front of that we have this mela. Oh god, they have even the pottery thing here. Now we are going in the car, and this is how the decoration is. हाँ.
इधर देखा?
Hello. This is how I am preserving my beloved pottery thing, and we are at Pick and Shake as usual. So we got a space here to park. And it's going pretty much full today. It's Sunday, but we got a space here, and me and my best friend used to park here in the two-wheeler section and then go up in the restaurant. This is so cute. I'm really excited for the final thing. Yay. You want me to leave everything here? You want me to leave everything here? So among all of my nails, and especially my engagement nails, these actually, just 3 of these are left. But I'm pretty much happy with it because it was so uncomfortable eating with these long nails. इनको मैंने cut short करा है तो, but still they are looking so pretty. ये इतना बढ़ गए थे. And we are at Bake and Shake. I love this place with my best friend, and now with my... Here's our cappuccino. Cold cappuccino. Thank you. Cheers. Of September, and we are off for a movie. Made a new hairstyle में I've put some curls and a little wave, and I've got my favorite glasses here. I'm wearing it for the first time in India, and here's my cutie. So coincidentally we both are in black. It's a nice sunny day, and we got all our signals clear. सब जगह green signals मिल रहे हैं. And by the way, it's already 4:32 and our movie starts at 4:30, and I really hope we make it before half an hour because it's in Ashima, which is pretty much far from the normal cinema. We are color coordinating today. And that's by chance, coincidental. It was not intentional. So we are happy. हम लोग कलर कोऑर्डिनेटेड है आज. ऐसा कुछ दिख रहा है भोपाल अभी. And I really like that thing, although it's under construction. But construction. This is the metro station that's building up. And मैं 1 साल बाद आई हूँ. ये रहा रोमियो लेन. And यहाँ पे है फर्जी कैफ़े, रोमियो लेन और अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे. आई एम रियली आइंग टू कम हियर सून. मैं कमलापति पे आई थी टू ड्रॉप मॉम डैड on that day when they were leaving for Jhansi. This is how it looks. काफ़ी एक्सपैंड किया. यहाँ पे वन वॉक है. वन वॉक इज़ लाइक 24 hours ओपन कॉन्सेप्ट था, बट ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं रहा है यहाँ पे. It stays closed during the night time. And here's my wonderful man driving to his full potential to make us reach on time. ये रहा कमलापति स्टेशन. But yeah, I have to say that it's very pretty from inside.
So मैं बहुत दिनों बाद यहाँ आ रहा हूँ.
Okay.
It's changed. All is changed.
So you're coming here after how many days or months?
I think after 5,
And you?
6 months.
5-6 months.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a long time. जब यहाँ पे next time आऊँगी, so what do you think कि यहाँ पे metro मुझे बनी हुई मिलेगी?
I think metro should be there.
I think so. So metro का discussion over discussion में बदल चुका है. हम लोग halfway पहुँच गए हैं and हम आ चुके हैं मॉल. Skechers 60% off. Here police. ये ऐसा
की बात काहे नहीं करेंगे. तुम्हारा काफी है चिट्ठी पे.
अरे चिट्ठी हमारी है, उसकी बात
वो चिट्ठी की बात कर रहे हैं.
यार वही
काम थे चूल्हा चौका.